Inhale deep. Hold. Release. With your hands placed on your thighs as you stand tall and straight. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Unbuckle your knees. Relax yourself. Roll your neck. Roll your body. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Raise your arms up. Inhale deep. Release. Gently move your body from side to side. Allow your body to move as it feels. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. And moving with your breath. So as you inhale, you sway. As you hold, you stand still. And as you release, you sway again. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Allow yourself to come into this moment. Settle in. Let your body be loose. Wiggle your arms and legs. Feel the relaxation. You are okay. Everything is okay. Pat yourself on the thighs. Release the tension in your body. Allow yourself to be loose and free. Engaging the breath. Moving your body. You're free. Relax yourself. Slow down. Slow down. You are safe here. I'm going to say some grounding affirmations. Feel free to repeat them out loud or in your mind. Just clear your mind. I and powerful. I am standing firm on this earth. I am safe on this earth. The earth will always provide for me. Relaxing your knees. I am provided for by this earth. I am firmly rooted on this earth. I stand tall like a tree, able to bend in the wind, dance in the rain, cover in the cold, and shine in the sun. I am firmly rooted like a tree. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Feel yourself secure in the ground beneath you, gently rocking side to side. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Shake your arms out, gently rocking side to side, trusting that you are safe here. You are rooted in this earth. The wind may blow and the trees will sway, but you are firmly rooted in this earth. You are safe here. You're provided for. You're protected. You are covered. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Gently rocking, swaying side to side, even with circles, trusting that you are rooted. You are safe. The wind will blow. The sun will shine. It will snow. But you will be fine. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. You are fine. Repeat after me. I am fine. I am safe. I am strong. I am rooted. I am supported. I am loved. I am protected. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Rolling your shoulders back. Inhale deep. You are secure in this earth. You are safe. You are provided for. No matter where you go, no matter where you are supported by this earth. You don't have to go anywhere to be protected, to be provided for. You have everything you need where you are. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Relaxing your body. Coming back to this moment. expressing gratitude to yourself for this day. Expressing gratitude to yourself for this moment. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Thank you for joining me. I hope you have a blessed rest of your day. Take this time to cleanse your hands as you make way for all of the abundance on its way to you. Just as you water a tree, water your hands, cleansing them. Remember as you go through your day to remain relaxed. Slow down. Allow yourself to see the miracles around you. You are being blessed in many ways every day. Trust that God is always with you. You are always provided for. You are always safe. You are always secure. God's eyes are always on you. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Thank you for joining me today. Eid Mubarak. Have a blessed rest of your day.